Talesong 4. Animal Farm. I'm just a pig, but I had a plan. Tired of humans running all over the land. We kicked them out, said, power to the crew, made rules, worked hard, thought we all knew. But some pigs got greedy, power went wild, twisted the rules. Fooled every child. Snowball got chased out by fear, Napoleon ruled, whispering in ears. The farm looked free, but chains were tight, voices were hushed, wrong felt right. The flag waved high. Slogans on the wall, equality faded, pigs stood tall. I saw it all, dreams turned to lies, hard work, betrayal, underpainted skies. Revolution's tricky, freedom's not cheap, lessons hit deep. In hearts to keep. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.